Welcome back to Carol's Sale Action Plan. I just got my Warrior by Juvia's palette in the mail today. I'm going to do some swatches real quick. So I've already prepared my arm with some Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I'll be using my Urban Decay finger brush to do the swatches. And in between colors I'll use my color switcher thingy from Ulta. So the first color is Anima or Amina. That's the first color. Next is I'm going to do an Idea. And I'm actually going to run outside after I do this and show you how they look in the sun, because it's sunny out. It's like over 80 degrees here in Bothell, Washington. Next is going to be Mino. See closer. Yeah, my lighting in the bathroom isn't that great, and I can't fit my halo, my ring light, over the bracket for my phone. That's Mino, and that is a matte. There's 3 mattes in this palette. Next is Ahosi. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing these right, but yeah, I'm doing the best I can with what I got. There's Ahosi. It's pretty light, but that's okay, because I think it'd be a great brow bone. I have to excuse my makeup right now because I just got off work and I've been up since 3. That's going to be Moremi. Oh, there it is right there. Here's another matte called Kano. And that's this one. Now to the last row. The bottom row is going to be Dahomey. Which is this one right here. Well, that one's pretty dope. Then I'll be doing a Bakwa and then Benin. So there's the last 3. I'm going to pause this and run outside. Oh my god, my lipstick is not good. Don't look at me. So here I want to show you the colors in sunshine. And they're pretty brilliant. I mean, I know everyone's sick of neutrals, and I have a lot of neutrals, but I really like Juvia's Place formulas. And so there's your swatches. Welcome back to Carol's Sale Action Plan. It is a little after 4 a.m. and I'm gonna, as promised, do a look with the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. I've already done my face makeup and eyebrows, sort of. I decided if I screw up my makeup ever, I'm just gonna call it editorial, because that's what all the kids are doing nowadays. I'm gonna start and going with Kano right here in my crease. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because Mark is still sleeping and he goes to work later than me. As soon as I get this stuff on, I'm going to go to work. And I'll probably try to upload this later today when I get home. It's been super hot here. These go on so nice. And I even forgot to powder my lids, so there you go. I'll do a check back at the end of the day and see how they held up. So I have Urban Decay Primer Potion in shade Eden on right now. Blend, 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 blend. This is going to be a simple look because I had to go get gas before I go to work. Well, on the way to work. I've never filmed before, so I think maybe I'll make a habit of it. Who knows? Who can tell with me? Let's see. I want to try something. So maybe I'm going to end up doing a halo eye. So now I am going to do Benin on my inner corner. One thing I shy away from doing, actually doing my makeup on filming it, is that I feel like I'm not as skilled as a bunch of other people on here, which, you know, what are you gonna do? But still, I don't want no one coming for me because my lack of ability to apply my makeup, but whatever. Gotta do what I gotta do. So I basically did this on the inner corners and outer corners of my eye. And so now for the halo part, let me get some setting spray. So I'm just using this little brush. I'm going to spray my setting spray on it. It's Urban Decay All Nighter. Not sponsored. I'm going to take this middle color. I don't have my glasses on. The middle color right here. And pat that in. And now in the crease, I'm going to deepen my crease, and I'm going to use the darkest shade Mino, which I like. So I do a lot of interesting looks for work, but honestly, I just like to do stuff that's functional for everybody, because not everyone has a lot of extra time before they go to work to blend a bunch of makeup in. It'd be nice if I had that kind of time, but maybe someday when I'm YouTube famous, haha. I have slightly hooded eyes, so I need to actually bring things up a little more so you can actually see that I have something on. So let me get blending. I like these. I like this palette. It's good. I like it's blending well as usual. I actually have all the Juvia's Place palettes. I can't help it. Have I worked out my eyeliner yet? No, I have not. Now, if I'd gone up way earlier, I might have been able to want to do eyelashes. But what are you gonna do? And I'm actually gonna highlight my brow bone with this Ahosi, this light bone color. I like it a lot. Some people say I hold my brushes weird. I actually can't help it. I had a stroke like 22 years ago, and so I just hold things weird, I guess, but it's sort of working for me. I do the best I can with what I got. So I'm going to do some liquid liner here. This is Urban Decay Zodiac. I had toyed with doing a green. This sort of feels green to me sometimes. This is Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liquid Liner. I have a bunch of these. Some of them are super runny. Like I said, I'll probably upload this when I get home. See, it always looks like my eyebrows aren't dark enough. But I don't want to use black. Well, I could. I mean, I don't give a shit. Okay, so look at that shit just transferred to my lower. That's nice. So I got my upper. Oh, that just got in my eye too. Nice. And I usually just smudge on my lower. Oh my lord, look at that. Oh, that hurt. Razor sharp like razor, get in your eyes and irritate the fuck out of your eyes. I'm going to use this little pencil brush. I need more pencil brushes. Holy crap, look at that. Oh shit, that stings. Great. Really, Urban Decay? Why? I want to keep going though, I don't even care. Oh, that is stinging the shit out of my eye. Okay, I'm calling this good. I'm gonna put on, ooh, let me get some lips. It's a studded Urban Decay liquid liner. Not liquid liner, but liquid color. I kind of like it. And I think it goes with this palette beautifully. And now I'm gonna put on some Lash Princess. Oh, let me set my spray. I literally have to keep my bathroom door shut when I'm not here because of the cats. So here's some Lash Princess. This is my $5 mascara. Like if I had a couple hours, I would probably attempt to do false lashes, but I just am not good at that yet. And let's do a little highlighter. This is Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. Just a simple Should I do my hair today? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go to work now. Have a great day, everybody. But I'll probably upload this after everyone's off of work. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit the like button. And we'll call it good. See you later, guys. So, it's 2:45, almost, well, 2:50, about 3 o'clock. I just got home from work. So my makeup has been on since about 4 this morning. And eyeshadow is doing awesome. Foundation not so much, it always oxidizes. I'm still on the hunt for a foundation I can wear all day that's not gonna just fucking wear off of my nose and cheeks and stuff. I do like this lip color. It's a Urban Decay Studded, the liquid lipstick. It stays on pretty good. But okay, that's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe, please hit a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Tell everybody to come on over to Carol Steele Action Plan.